I'm Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures, coming to you from the Chicago Board of Trade with another episode of Tech Talk. Today is Tuesday, July 14th, and we are looking at Chicago wheat. We had talked about this here just about a week, maybe 2 weeks ago, in a Tech Talk down when we were trading near this 490 level, talking about $5 being psychologically and technically significant. As you can see, this is previous support. It became resistance. We talked about if we break out above there, we could potentially see some short covering take us towards this top end of the range, 525 to 530. This also coincides with trendline resistance from those highs back in January. So a lot of technical resistance on the trend line, but also we've got a Fibonacci retracement here. And from these highs back in January to the recent lows, the 50% retracement, or basically the middle of the range, comes in right at about 530 as well. On top of that, we've got the RSI here towards the upper end of the range. And usually when we get towards the 70 mark, it means that we're a little bit overextended on the upside. And you can see what happened the last couple times we were here. Back in March, we topped out a little bit. Back in January, we topped out. If you go back to June, we topped out. So I'm not saying that a longer term top is in, but I wouldn't be surprised to see the market take a little bit of a breather here and maybe pull back a little bit closer towards that $5 level again, retest that breakout point from the first week of July. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures from the Chicago Board of Trade. Remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.